Hey there. Boy, this video is an exciting one. I am hoping to help you just jump and make your business go, way go. Extra money, extra income, and mainly extra profit, but also extra practice, because that's the idea, right? So I'm going to give you 5 tips to get you started. Because one of the things I am going to do with this YouTube video channel is create a coaching business for entertainment businesses just like you. I've been doing this for a long time, and I've coached a lot of entertainers. And so my goal is to coach you, right? I'm not talking about group coaching. I'm talking about one-on-one, looking at your specific business, your specific needs, your specific goals. And then I'll give you my best ideas on how to make those possible, how to manifest them. I have mentored a lot of people in this business and ran a bunch of businesses. And so I feel like I have some things to offer. So don't forget to subscribe, like, check the little bell to get notified, because trust me, the next few videos are going to rock. They're really powerful and a lot of fun. So without any further ado, let's get started on your tips for your balloon business. Here is the last tip, right? What do you think the last tip would be? Well, it's going to be to hire me as your coach. Okay, I have an introductory package that starts at a much lower price than my regular packages. I'm putting up a kind of a sale right now, kind of like a special for everybody that wants to hire me. My goal is not to do like seminars and that kind of thing. I'm not looking to be Tony Robbins. What I'm looking to do is help you with your business. I'm going to give you the same exact questionnaires that I took to help me reevaluate my business. And I'm going to then go over those with you. And I'm going to give you specific suggestions of what you can do to generate more profit right now. Okay. My goal of my introductory session is to help you earn multiple times the amount of investment in the first 3 months. Okay. If I don't give you that kind of advice, then I don't want to take your money. I'm going to give you a money back guarantee. If you don't feel like you got that kind of advice, that it was worth every cent, I'm going to give you your money back. Okay. Now, if you want a more in-depth look, right? I have a larger package, and what that's going to give you is maybe 2 months worth of coaching, where we're going to help put together pitch deck, which is kind of an evaluation of your company. We're going to put together a marketing plan for 3 months, for 1 year. We're going to evaluate what skills and what things are necessary for you. We're going to evaluate your personal market in whatever city you're in. And in that period of time, I'm hoping to help you with what your real goals are, whatever those are. Now it's up to you. You're going to have to do some work, right? You're going to have to get on the phone and call people and do some of this marketing that I do. But please remember, I know what I'm talking about on how to set these things up in cities, okay? The craziest thing was when I was working as Ronald McDonald for 20 years, I wasn't just going to clown seminars, right? McDonald's is all about local store marketing, local marketing. And so every year when we went to training back in Chicago at Ronald McDonald University, we would have marketing seminars on local marketing with the best marketers in the world. That's McDonald's, okay? So that, along with my experience of running my own business for 40 years, I think I have some pretty good things to offer. So anyway, my coaching site is listed in the live links in the comments below. At least go take a look. Go look and see what's possible. Go click on the Airbrush site. Look at the videos about the Airbrush. I'm going to put a couple of videos up after this about the Airbrush so you get a better feel for it. But that is the main tool that I can give you that makes the most money the easiest, because that's what I do, right? That's what I do. And that's why I would be able to give it to you, because I know how it works. And I've been doing it for 20 years. I've got it down to where it works. It's solid. You can't break it. You can send out people to work with it quickly and easily. And you'll be able to use my training videos to train them. All right. So that's it. Those are your 5 tips. Get paid to practice. Get others to sell your services for you. Add face painting to what you're doing. get my ultimate airbrush space painting system and hire me as your coach, right? Bring me aboard. I will create a relationship with you, and I will be personally invested in making sure that your business does a great job, okay? That it expands exactly like you want it to, however you want it to. So I hope you got something out of this. I'm sure that you did. Go to my coaching site. Again, it's down in the link below. Subscribe, do the little button, and you'll get to see a bunch of new videos, because I'm doing more videos too about a bunch of new stuff, more skills and more business ideas. All right. Have a great day, and I wish you the best success in this crazy business.